Isabella. Are you sneezing? Oh, you have real snot coming out your nose that time. Oh, we better wipe that up.